Welcome to Core Insight Channel, the health and self-improvement channel that improves your life. The material in this video is sourced from the book, Obesity Code, by Dr. Jason Fung. One of the best books ever written on the subject of health. In this video, you will find the answer to the question, which is most responsible for obesity? Individual factors, genetics, or environmental factors? Watch this video until the end if you are curious. Let's get started. In 1986, the New England Journal of Medicine released research by Albert J. Stunkard in Denmark. This study revealed whether there is a correlation between the weight of adopted children and their adoptive parents. Suppose there was a correlation. How strong was the correlation? This research departed from the endless debate in our society about what factors shape obesity, whether intrinsic or environmental factors. That was a never-ending debate. You need to know that Denmark is one of the countries with good administrative management regarding adoption. Accuracy of the data is required to produce accurate conclusions. That's why Albert J. Stunkard chose Denmark as the place of this research. So what are the conclusions of this research? It was unexpected. It turned out that the social environment is not the main cause of obesity. In other words, there was no correlation between children's weight and how their adoptive parents raised them. That showed that the way adoptive parents raise their adopted children has almost no effect on whether or not their adopted child's body is fat. The results of this study shocked everyone at the time. The default assumption at that time was that environmental factors were the cause of obesity in most people. So if the adopted child lives in a junk food-oriented family and the child's genetics are not problematic, then the child's chances of becoming obese are very small. In other words, the opinion that states that obesity is formed because of the habit of consuming junk food has been refuted. It is genetic factors that determine whether a person is a fat or not. To strengthen his conclusion, Stunkard tested his new hypothesis. He compared the adopted child's body image with the body image of his biological parents using accurate adoption record data. It turned out that he found a strong positive correlation between the adopted child's body image and the body image of his birth parents. Adopted children born to obese parents have a very high probability of becoming naturally obese. In contrast, children born to thin parents have a very low probability of becoming obese in their foster families. In 1991, Stunkard again strengthened the conclusions of his research by examining how much influence genetic factors had on a person's body image. The study concluded that genetic factors determine about 70% of the causes of people developing obesity. Now you know that genetic factors, more than environmental factors, determine a person's body shape. I think you also need to know that obesity is closely related to poverty. How could that be? So please click on this video card. If you want to see a more complete summary of the Obesity Codebook, please click on this video card. In this video, I break it down into 10 core insights that cover new facts you never thought about the causes of obesity. Please click the like and subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll be notified when we release future videos. Thanks for watching.